We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. Can credit repair companies remove late payments? You already know that a late payment reported in your credit history hurts your score. A credit repair company specialist can help you try to remove a late payment from your credit report. Let's be honest though, there is no magic bullet to removing a late payment. It is dependent on your good behavior now with your credit and the good graces of the creditor in removing the bad marks. The credit repair company helps you with drafting a letter to the creditor to plead your case with them. They then monitor the progress of the requests and help you with methods for you to never have a missed payment again. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.